Say hi, Max. Say hi. Where's Tinga? Oh, Tinga's looking at the snow. Look, she's freaked out by the snow. There. She didn't know what to think of that. She's not quite sure what the deal is.